We should be, the more people we engage, the more we'll sell. So this is community engagement. This is strictly about our community and the communities we serve. We use all the talent from here. Our salesperson, Elle, does what Matt does. He does all of the video editing. I use the salespeople for walk-arounds. We were trying to cut marketing by like $1 million last year we talked about. This is one of the ways that we try to do it. So we talk about like $500 off, for example. We're $500 off on all of our cords. We talk about all of our sales. I beat Jeff up for service, coupons, Byron for parts.
I think you need to sit down. You need to sit down and we need to get a picture of this.
You need to definitely.
Matt, get here, we put the little microphone away.
This
We got
is going to be,
yeah, let's.
This will be an epic picture right
Yeah,
here.
All right.
yeah, good, good.
And then next time I'm up for financial review, we need to actually do a podcast.
Okay, perfect.
1, 2, 3.
That looks so good.
And so we'll get
I
you,
love that you're doing this.
because
It's awesome.
one of the episodes I was thinking about is just so we got Amy in our service department, we got Shamika, we got like just how, I don't want to sound, but
It's okay.
25 years ago or 20 years ago when I started this, you didn't see so many powerful women around the dealership, and that is
We want
changing.
other
Like,
women to see that
absolutely.
and attract more so that
So we're going to
our
do an
customers
episode
see a
on
nice
that.
variety when they walk in.
We're going to have some powerful ladies within our organization. And then we're also going to do Zip Trip. I'll talk to Ben. We're going to shoot down, set up on the valley. Let's talk about what they're doing down there. So.
All right, I love it. Well, the showroom looks phenomenal.
Very good.
I don't think I had a single thing to write down. I don't know if y'all did.
I wrote amazing.
I wrote
Nice stuff.
Right.
I know, I only wrote nice stuff.
Super clean, right in place.
I like the sample desk. That's how it's supposed to look. It's very impressive.
Never seen that.
No, right.
Here's what it's
This
supposed to look
is what
like.
it's supposed to look like. This is how it should look at the end of every day.
I like it.
I also like the how you were talking about.
Yeah.
Stay here.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. And so for Spring Pride, we did all local vendors. For trash removal, we had a local guy. For balloons, they're local. Our cleaner, she's local. So every we put it into the community because that in some
Get them
form is going on
engaged.
for back here. Absolutely.
I need a car shop now.
Yeah, yeah.
They'll remember. They'll remember.
Civic and CMA podcast. He's done phenomenal work.
Yeah.
And I tell you, I talked to this dude for like a couple of months. I was like, man, and I was in Shamika, we just all bounced ideas, and I went to church and he was like, somebody, the sermon was just do it. It's like
Just do it.
somebody's gonna do something that you had the idea to do.
said that.
Because they had the idea 6 months before you, right?
This is quiet
Quiet
lounge
lounge.
chairs. So if you want to just come relax,
Yep.
not have a TV on when you're waiting for service, this is where you hang out at here. You know, this
Yes, I know
recycling.
So it'll square off out there. So when we expand, this waiting lounge will get larger.
This is what Melinda used to need.
It'll be so nice and neat.
Of my office. I still
I like the fresh air.
just located.
Hello.
We need to.
Does it work out okay for you? Does it work out okay?
I had one. Yeah.
So you live here?
Oh, I live here.
You live here, okay.
Yeah, I traveled 81.
And then next door,
I don't yeah, I know.
Fine, how are you, man?
Good,
I'm working for you.
good.
Took it a second.
Compliments for how clean our restrooms are.
And that's another thing that when people are seeing the details about your business, if you pay attention to things like keeping your
Fingerprints on
restrooms
those,
clean,
yeah.
they have more trust that you're actually then taking care of their car.
Yeah.
I mean, the
We
little
do. We
things do
compliments all the
translate.
time. Like, wow, I've never seen a restroom this clean in a dealership ever.
You know, Lynchburg, the maintenance in the Eastern Honda store is very good too.
Here's the kids section right here. And we have, honestly, we have the chalkboard, which we probably need to repaint. Those guys, they love it. They make it a mess. They make it a mess.
That's awesome.
They
I
do.
love a good chocolate wall.
Hopefully nobody misses where the restrooms are.
Right.
Not to ruin the video.
You're fine. You're fine. Sit down here.
How you doing, man?
This was pretty good.
Yeah.
Although we were paying on.
Should I tell them? Let it go?
And we need.
We're talking to Carter Myers.
We don't want to.
You're not doing that. Hello. How's everybody? Good. How are you?
Yeah, we're halfway through.
Excuse me, sorry.
Hey, how you feeling? I'm good. I mean, that's your decision.
Great. Beautiful day outside.
You gotta work around it.
They're excited.
That's really good.
Oh, they keep this thing tight over here. It
This
don't even
looks
look like
good.
they're cleaning cars over here.
Right. Where's Tim? Recon Center? Yeah.
Now is this full-time recon?
Honda.
Last time. Last year. 10 years. It's still. Brian, this looks fantastic. Yeah, it really does.
We try to keep it.
Well, guys, you keep it
Do you have any tricks to put the CMA sticker on
You know what?
straight?
This is a big talking point. Getting that CMA.
We have
What's
to
the
come up with
technique?
that's
I put it on and I stand back. Yeah, it's a real problem with it being round. It's harder to get
Gotta
it.
be talking about the camera.
Or you get like all to one side.
Hi, how are you guys?
Good.
Hello, guys.
Very nice.
What do you do? Oh, you're saying you need it, but you don't have
And
it.
you know, out of all of our departments, this department here was probably the department that didn't need to be cleaned.
Really? Really? It was just
This is the norm. You could pop by here next Monday at 2:00, and it'll look this up.
That's what I said. I'm gonna do a pop in and run everybody and say, "This is Spring Pride follow up."
Yeah.
I'll be like, "Wait, what?" No, it looks good. Still look at y'all. Built all the way up.
You do.
Tim would be proud.
It's still not anything beautiful, but
It's much better than it was.
all your things I remembered, and believe me, I'm gonna remember the
Oh,
refrigerator
wow.
next
It's
year.
Check
gonna
it
be
out.
like shiny.
Yeah, these guys are on.
Oh, nice. Very nice.
This was,
Yeah, it was like full.
uh-huh.
Recording there, buddy.
Can you rewind?
Yeah, I got you. We're gonna go all the way through all of it. Man, we're done with that tour. It's about 2 hours. What do you think, man?
I think it went well.
I think we did our thing, man.
I think so.
We did our thing.
Yeah.
Preparation, man. I work closely with Jeff. By the way, this is Jeff Wiersma, our service manager. We kind of, the dealership, we figure it, and this is slang, guys, but this is front half of the house I generally take care of. Back half of the house, Jeff takes care of. So we got like a little lethal weapon, if you will.
We make a good team.
Oh,
We make a good
that was
team.
a bomb. Lethal weapon.
Yeah.
So Man, we do a good team. We just communicate back and forth. We're trying to keep this place tight. Good thing is we try to keep our general manager there. Try to keep him out of. The less we can keep him out of the finer details, the better gauge of is how well we're doing our job.
That's correct.
Man, we're gonna get out of here for the evening. Again, we like to thank CMA. And I tell you, before we get, and we had arguably the toughest judging panel.
I would probably agree with you on that.
Liza and her dad, Carter.
On top of that, we were the 2022 winners.
So we set the bar high last year.
We did.
We set the bar high last year. I think we did a good job. We'll see you guys next week. Again, this is our Spring Bling edition. Just wanted to make sure that we saw our dealership through the same lens that you guys out there see our dealership, and to see what kind of improvements we can make to make you guys want to come back here for your stays or to buy your vehicles here, service, or whatever your needs here at CMA Honda Winchester. We'll catch you guys next week. We'd like to thank you for your time. Jeff, thank you.
Thank you.
See you guys next week.